Hello. Is it really necessary for us to learn about digital marketing? Frankly speaking, no. All the information, all the data, all the material developments is all available on the net. You just have to insert what you want to learn. So, entire digital marketing, much more than what you expect, is there available on the net. So, naturally a question comes to our mind, then why should I join a course? If all the information is there on the net, why is it necessary? That is the first question and it is a valid question. That is part 1. The other question which comes to our mind is that whosoever is training, are they effective in delivering that? So, frankly speaking, there is no single institute or a single person in the world who claims or who can claim ever that he is the master of all entire digital marketing spectrum. It is not possible. The field is so huge, so broad, and it is evolving every second. Every second, what we mean is that the technologies, the softwares, the tools, the way in which it is delivered is so amazingly changing every moment of time, and the moment you want you are outdated or it's updated. Either there are two things. So the biggest challenge in digital marketing training is, do you have an ability to be yourself into the learning mode? So as an individual or as an organization, are we equipped to be ourselves on the learning cycle or in the learning mode? So what we emphasize is that it's no more the area of attitude, skills and knowledge which is there existing into the digital world. Then we may confuse, if there is no attitude, it is not skills, it is not knowledge, then what is digital marketing all about? So the first paradigm on which we operate is, are we open to learning? Is learning our passion? So if learning is our passion and if we are open to learning, then we are open to receive anything, whatever comes on our way. So the foundation at what we relate to digital marketing is, are we open to learning? Am I open to learning? That is the first step which we start. The second step comes, which I already said, is when all the data and all the information is available on the net, why to learn going into the institute? So the data or information is available unless and until we use that data and information which people have been used, which we call it as knowledge, that gets converted into knowledge. So here what we do is, we make yourself do the things. So it is learning by doing approach. It's not the faculty is telling you. No doubt the faculty acts as a guide to you. If you are going and learning out or driving a bicycle or driving a car, so reading a book about driving a car is not going to make you a driver. So the driver sits next to you and tells you, guides you, and he is there to take charge in case of any emergency happens. The same way, we at Institute of Digital Marketing, the tutor sits beside you and guides you so as you learn the gears, how to shift the gears in learning about digital marketing. That's one. The second thing which comes to our mind is that, what's the difference between knowledge and wisdom? So when we say knowledge is there, a person who writes a book on digital marketing spends n number of hours in writing that paper or in putting this video or maybe putting up a book. So for example, preparing this video for you has taken n amount of hours for us. Preparing the script, writing it down, a whole lot of work goes into the background, editing it, putting it properly, rechecking it, and this video of 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes is readily available to you. So whatever expertise we have done is there available. Now if you take whatever we are saying you in this video and apply it to your life, so you get a first hand information of that, and as you continually go on doing it, you are told to be a wise person. So what we are doing at Institute of Digital Marketing is translating the theoretical knowledge or the informative knowledge to a transformative knowledge, to a creative knowledge, wherein we guide you such that you become an expert, a wise person into the field of digital marketing. That's one of the areas what we say. The second area what we say is the paradigm which we works on is Bloom's theory. What does Bloom's theory says? It's not about learning by doing, but it is also making it successful into the marketplace. So whatever projects you do, it's not only that you have to do that project, but ensure the project has to be successful into the marketplace. How do we do that is, we give you live projects wherein you work on those live projects and you ensure the success of those projects, be it product or a service or a celebrity. That ensures you the confidence, the knowledge which is there. So that's what we give at Institute of Digital Marketing. Thank you.